Hello, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about analyzing material and labor costs for commercial roofing projects. So, why is this important? When you get a quote for a roofing project, you would like to know what percentage of the cost of the project is on materials and labor. And the reason is you want to have more of the money on the materials because those are going to stay on your roof for the 10 to 20, 30 years it's going to be on your roof. Doing the R value, waterproof, all the protection, that's all working every single day and night for you, as opposed to labor, which, it takes the guys a week or 2 weeks to install the roof, and then that cost is gone. And why I bring this up is majority of the spray foam roofing projects that we do and quote, our material costs are usually a lot higher than labor costs, which is a good thing. You want more of the money on the materials that's working every single day, as opposed to other traditional roofing systems where 60% of that cost is on labor. It walks off your roof when they're done, and that's it. Only 40% of your cost is staying on your roof. So I want to just bring that up real quick. If you're comparing, spray foam versus traditional, and they're both priced the same, find out which more money is going on the material, because like I said, that's what's going to stay there for a while. A couple more points that I make in the article below. There's a link in the description. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.